Hello guys, right, this is about scalping, the RSI histo, and always being prepared to move quickly when price moves. This morning was a great example. I took a cable long trade and then I reversed it almost immediately. I also took a Euro USD trade long that didn't move quick enough, so I bailed. And that's an important thing I don't often mention. The RSI histo is all about momentum. It's about changes of momentum, as you can see here. We've got a classic divergence. We've got a higher high and a lower high with the breakdown from oversold to reverse momentum, if you like, downward movement. We've got a 3-candle reversal gone on here. And we've got a trade that has hit a level of supply, if you like, or resistance, whatever way you want to call it. I personally feel the better terminology is supply, because it implies you are in a real trading environment. You know, supply has come back into the market, sellers have come back into the market, and that's what's happened. And as you can see, after the event, of course, we've actually hit this area here, what I call the internal sort of supply area. That's the support there of that green candle, the low of that green candle, and that is where the problem has arisen. Or you could say the flip zone, where the green candle changes from close to open, and it's hit that to the pip. So you know, I'm always looking for those sort of areas. And in the up move, which was a perfectly valid RSI histo up move as well, we've got the descending trend line here, if you like. I haven't drawn it in. Then you've got an ascending situation here, where we've made a higher low, and we've also got, you could call this a 1, 2, 3 reversal. And I don't want to change time frames just to prove all these points, because it goes off the point a little. But look, we've got a classic RSI histo, break of the 20 level, new momentum, break of a recent resistance level here with momentum, and then prices burst up. Now this would be a classic trend trade, and momentum trade included for well, it was only 5 or 6 pips there, apologies for that, it's some sort of text. And then we've got the reversal, but we're not really worried about the pip count on this, because it's all about, Euro doesn't move very quickly anyway. So if we were looking at cable, that would have been an 8 or 9 pip move, and then the reversal would probably be similar. So 3-candle reversal combined with the divergence and the overbought to momentum to the downside. So someone asked me earlier, you know, how do I define my targets? Well, that's exactly it. That's the target there. Then this is the target here, a demand area. This is the reason for taking the trade, momentum, and once again momentum here. So we've got the two styles of trade there, the momentum break on the 20, we've got the oversold to reversal momentum there, and then we could look at this one. And this is just literally, I didn't even notice this is off the cuff. We've got a bust up, pullback, break and close. Didn't quite break the 20 level by the looks of it, but that's an arbitrary level set by whoever invented this, and I have yet to do the statistics on whether we need to call it 19, 18, 17, whatever, but it's an arbitrary break, so I wouldn't worry too much about the fact that it's half a whatever it is digit, 19 and a half, just short of, to half below the 20. But we've got a 3-candle reversal here combined with the massive momentum, and then up price goes to a level of supply again. So obviously this is some sort of ranging going on here, but we're not worried about those terms. We're not worried about all the people that draw these 4-hour charts. We're not worried about that. I don't even listen. In fact, if I listen to all the rubbish on online about what the the SP500's doing, what the DAX is up to, what the dollar index is up to long term. I'm not interested, and I implore you to do the same. Just treat trading like a computer game. If this tells you to go short, go short. If this tells you to go long, and your trend line tells you to go long, and your area of supply and demand tells you to go long, go long. Again, go long here. 3 candle reversal, 3 swing here, swing 1, swing 2, swing 3, swing 4, whatever. You've got trends going to the upside. These pullbacks, they're weak pullbacks. Massive strength to the upside in these bars. Use everything at your short-term focus to enable to get into trades. That isn't to say you just jump into trades willy-nilly. That's over trading. That's reactionary trading. Use the rules that you can build yourself from my small sort of template of rules, if you like, and then trade accordingly. At this point here, we're starting to get into the American session, and I don't like trading the American session, purely because it means I have to sit in front of my charts for more than 5 or 6 hours. If I can trade in the London Open and the Frankfurt Open, then I'm out of my trades within minutes, or 40 minutes, an hour, and the rest of the day is my own. As it is with COVID, I've chosen to spend more time staring at charts and helping other traders, hopefully opening their eyes to the possibilities of trading outside of the box, outside of the norm. Do you know what? I nearly swore then. I nearly swore again. I'm going to swear. It pisses me right off, all the BS online about 4-hour charts and watching what it's doing and what the blinking the FTSE's doing and what the dollar's doing and all that lot. All that will do, people, is confuse you. All you have to do, this is a 4-hour time frame now. Here is a bust, pullback, break and close, momentum move up. Here's the 20 break, momentum moves on up. Here's the descending trend line on a 4-hour chart. Why worry about being Bertie Big Whatsits, listening to all of what these so-called excellent traders with 50,000 followers have got, when all you have to do is draw a line like that and then wait for the 20 level break, and what happens? Price cruises on down. 20 level break there I'm talking about, through that line there, price goes down. All you have to do then is just wait for look, we've got an oversold signal here. We've got the on a few candles there, divergence, higher high making a lower high. It's everywhere, guys. So just open your eyes, do your own research, don't listen to me blindly. Look at the charts. What is going on with this mouse at the moment? Driving me potty. Oh, for Christ's sake. There. Descending trend line. Excuse me for blaspheming there. High, low, lower, high, lower, low. That's why that's connected, because it's broken that low there, and there. This is incidental. Price is reacting now to this trend line drawn on these 2 points here. And then you've got your momentum move, and up she goes. So just study your charts, do your homework, and trust the RSI indicator. That's joined there, because that low has been broken by that, and then we look for a momentum move, and there it is. Drop down the time frame and use the internal to get the move that will happen, because the RSI has told you it will. But divergence, look, these are all incidental charts now. I'm just dragging charts from all over the place. Divergence as well there. So guys, please just trust your charts. Forget all the talking heads online. They drive me insane. All you have to do is have a clean chart like that with something like this RSI histo. I swear by this. Do your back testing, and hopefully you will swear by it too. Okay, there's another divergence set up there. Push down, fail to make a lower low. Then we've got the RSI histo break and close. In fact, that was the break and close bar there, that green one there, should I say. And it goes on. Pull back, break and close up. Break and close above the previous green bar's high. That's what a break and close is, guys. Okay? And you can still use the 2020. That's the third thing. So you've got the reversal based on the overbought and then the quick change of momentum with divergence preferably, but this one doesn't show divergence. You've then got the break and close, and you've also got the 20. When you don't get your break and close involved, you just have to look for a break of the 20 level, and as you can see, so 3 RSI triggers there. There's loads more, I've yet to find them, but I'm certain there are. But those 3, break and close, momentum reversal break with divergence if possible, and the 20 level break, minus 20 or plus 20, whichever you get, that will give you your 3 signals on the RSI. And then just be aware of where your supply and demand is. Okay, thanks for watching, have a good day.